With the fact that I've been cooking a lot more at my house, I've been wanting some hardware so I could take it to work or school. I wanted something airtight so it wouldn't leak, but also something I could put in the microwave or the dishwasher. So I decided to invest in this set of 48-ounce plastic containers. What I love about these is the fact that they're extremely heavy duty and you can take them anywhere you're traveling. They're 100% BPA-free, which keeps you happy and healthy. It's leak-proof and airtight, ensuring that your food stays fresh. As you can see here with this container, there is no spillage at all. They're stackable and super easy to fill up. They're super amazing for portion control, meal prep, and so much more. And for a quick wash, they're also dishwasher safe. As you can see here, even with vigorous shaking, these will not spill or break. As you can see, these prevent anything from getting in or out. I love these because they keep my food fresh and safe.